Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video here of my breadboard project. Let's take a look at it. We've got a dual op amp in the middle, TL072, and a couple knobs, and a 9-volt supply. This is my power supply rig, and some diodes over here. I'll turn off the lights later so we can see those. Okay, let's see what it does. Amp, guitar. So I start with it on low gain. If I turn this knob, let's turn it halfway. The LEDs, these little guys right here, kind of flashing on and off. I'm gonna turn off the lights just for fun. And you just got some LEDs in. I'm gonna try to play this guitar by. Nope, that's not it. I think I'd be able to do that. I can't. Look at that. Wow, okay, let's try this. Turn it down so I can run. There we go. Cool. So, what's happening? Well, those LEDs are diodes, and they are clipping on the negative feedback circuit of this amp. So when I go, you can see them way better from the top. Look at that. Sorry, I only got one hand. It's after they go, you actually see the waveform there, the oscillation. As it goes through that feedback circuit. And that's what creates the distortion. I mean, the op amp on its own, even without the LEDs, is overdriven to shit, but the diodes clip it even harder. So it makes that lovely fuzz. It's not even up all the way, so I could turn this is the first stage gain basically, all the way up, and then at the slightest touch, so that's a lot of fun too. So it was a really fun circuit to play with. Op amp, fuzz. Even better with the LEDs. Plus they sound among the best of any of the diodes that I tried. So that's a bonus. Nice.